Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be going through what you need to take Pelargonium cuttings. These are some I grew from seed earlier on this year. As you can see, looking really well. I've just cut them from the main plant. What I do, I mark each one. I'm doing a lot, and wrap a stick around so you know which plant I have to take a photograph. And then I mark each pot I'm going to use, like so. And I mix up some perlite, vermiculite with some compost. So it's a nice free draining mixture. Water retentive, but plenty of air in there, so hopefully it'll stop them rotting. So right, let's get on to preparing the pelargoniums. Right, as you can see, each one has been cut. What you need to do, you need to get your thumb and forefinger like that and snap each flowering stem off. You don't want them. That little node down there can come off, these leaves, because it's going to be losing a lot of moisture while it's trying to root. And that one can be another one. And then all these little green furry things that just stick out, these can rot. So you need to pull them off like so. And I've left these, after you've taken them off your main plant, they want to be left for about an hour just to harden up, so callus over a little bit. Right, once that's done, take your pot like so, and it needs filling with a mixture, your potting mix. This is perlite, vermiculite and compost. Good mixture, free draining. I've had a really good success rate with this so far this year. I've only had one that's rotted, so I'm really pleased with the mixture. Right, once your plant pot's topped up like that, simply either get a dibber or usually firm enough. I normally put down this side there, so they're next to the wall of the plant pot. Just do another one. Get your knife like so. Cut it away from the main stem there. All these can be quite rough with them. All the way back. Don't be worried if you do lose a few to rot, because that can happen to anybody. I don't dip them in any rooting hormone, I don't find I need to. Right, that's another one in that corner. A pot this size, a 9cm pot, I put 4 in, one in each corner. Once that's done, I want to water them, put them in on a warm windowsill and keep your eye on them. They don't want to be soaking, but they don't want to be too dry either. And then after 4 or 5 weeks, you should have some nice roots on them. Once they're rooted, you will get some plants. These are what I took earlier. But like this, these are fully rooted, growing away really well. And that's what you can expect. So that's how to prepare your pelargoniums for cutting and how to take them. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Thank you, bye.